Jai Shri Guru. Good morning everybody. So in last class we already discussed about symmetric and skew symmetric matrix related problems. Okay. Now one important question. I am going to explain one important question. Okay. Any square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Can be expressed as sum of skew symmetric. Q symmetric already explained in theorem number 2. So related to that theorem number 2, we are doing one 3 marks question problem. So what is this one? A matrix is given 3, 5, 1, minus 1. One 3 matrix. One 2 cross 2, 2 by 2 matrix is given. Had to find out, express this following matrices as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Means it should be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. How it will be seen? They will give like that question. A is equals to 3, 5, 1, minus 1. First, I had to consider. So, I had to consider B is equals to. First, you have to calculate A dash. First, you have to calculate A dash. A dash is equals to what? Transpose of this matrix. Now, first row will become first column. Second row will become second column. So this is the answer. So A dash. Then let consider B is equals to half into A plus A dash. Half into A plus A dash. Okay. Add these two things. So half into A plus A dash. A is there. A already there. A dash already there. Okay. Add these two things. 3 plus 3. No, 3 plus 3 means what? 6. Okay now. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay now. Do this one. 1 by 2 by 6. 6 by 2. 3, 3, 3, minus 1. So, this is the matrix. Okay. So, already explained in this theorem. In that theorem, what means 1 by 2 into A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Already explained now. So, let us confirm this is symmetric or not. How to confirm this is symmetric or not means we have to do the transpose. So do the transpose. Okay. B dash is equals to what? So first column will become first row 3 3. Second column will become second row. Right. Check both values. 3 3 3 minus 1. 3 3 3 minus 1. Same. We are getting same. So therefore B dash is equals to B. Means what? B is symmetric matrix. B is symmetric matrix is what? B is nothing but what? 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. So therefore B is equals to half into A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Okay? Symmetric matrix. Next, we will go to the skew symmetric. We will go to the next skew symmetric. What is the skew symmetric? Let us consider C. Let C is equals to half into A minus A dash. Already in the theorem itself, we already told now, half into A minus A dash is the skew symmetric matrix. Now calculate half into A already there, A dash already calculated. Subtract 3 minus 3 0, 5 minus 1 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4. Minus 1 minus of minus 1 0. Okay na? So multiply it by 1 by 2. 0 2 minus 2 0. Okay na? This is C value. Calculate C dash. C dash is what? 0. First row will becomes first column. 0 2 0 2 minus 2 0. So this is the C dash. Okay na? So now we calculate C dash minus common. Make the common. 0 2 minus 2 0. This is nothing but what? C. This is the C value. Is equals to minus C. So C dash is equals to minus C means what? C is a skew symmetric condition now. So C dash is equals to minus C means skew symmetric condition. Therefore, we can tell that C is skew symmetric. C is what? Skew symmetric. C C is skew symmetric. Okay na? Is skew symmetric. Okay na? So like that we can explain. So see next. Okay na? Already calculated. B is so half into A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Half into A minus A dash. A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. C is nothing but half into A minus A dash dot. So already calculated. Now what is the problem actually? Any square matrix can be expressed as sum of skew symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Sum of symmetric. What is any matrix can be given? So let us calculate B plus C. Okay na? B plus C. Let us calculate B plus C. What is B already is here? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 plus. What is C? C already calculated. C 0 2 minus 2 0. Okay na? So this is C. Add these two things. 3 plus 0 3 5 1 minus 1. So already taken now A matrix is what? 3 5 1 minus 1. 3 5 1 minus 1. So this is nothing but this is A. So therefore, so any matrix can be expressed as, any square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This is very very important for the 3 marks question. Okay na? My dear students, do this one as a homework. Okay, A matrix 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 minus 1 2. So it can be expressed as any square matrix can be. You have to prove that express this following matrix is the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Calculate half into A plus A dash, half into A minus A dash. Okay, that is half into A plus A dash is symmetric matrix, half into A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Okay na? So previous problems, like the previous problems, you have to do this one as a homework. Okay na? See next question. So now I will explain 3 where I am taking 3 by 3 matrix. Okay na? 3 by 3 matrix I am. See this is A. 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. So it can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. How it will be? See already consider now A dash. First we have to calculate A dash. How to calculate A dash? It is nothing but the transpose of A. Means interchange the rows into column. What is the answer? First column will become first row. 6 minus 2 2. Second 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Okay na? So this is the A dash. Okay. Now we will calculate. Let us consider. Okay. Let us consider. Already last problem I considered A. B no. You consider any. Okay. B. You consider B is equal to half into A plus A. Okay na? This is symmetric matrix. You can consider any. P ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, B ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, A ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. A ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೇಕನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ P ತಗೋಬಹುದು, Q ತಗೋಬಹುದು, A ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, A B ತಗೋಬಹುದು, C ತಗೋಬಹುದು, A ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ in this problem I am considering P. P is equals to half. Add. So A is there, A dash is there. Add these two things. 6 plus 6 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Okay now add 2 plus 2 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 3 plus 3 6 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 plus 3 6. Okay now so calculate this one. 12 by 2 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1. Okay 2. Okay 1 minus 1 6 means 3. So this is nothing but P. Okay na? Now you do P dash. Okay na? P dash. P dash is what? Transpose. Okay, transpose. 6 minus 2 2. 6 minus 2 2. First row will become first column. Second row minus 2, 3, minus 1. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. Okay na? And last row 2, minus 1, 3. So you check these two things. Both are same. Both are same. 6 minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. 2 minus 1. Both are same. So therefore P dash is equals to P. P dash is equals to P. So therefore P dash equals to P means what? P is symmetric matrix. P is symmetric matrix means what? P means nothing but what? A plus A dash half into. So therefore P is equals to half into A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Okay na? Symmetric matrix. Next we will calculate skew symmetric like that only. A minus A dash. Okay na? See now I have to calculate 1 by 2 to A minus A dash. A minus A dash. This is skew symmetric. Okay na? Half into A minus A dash. 6 minus 6 0. Minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 0. Minus 2 minus 0. 3 minus 3 0. Minus 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 2 0. Minus 1 0. So this matrix is nothing but 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So Q dash ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Q dash ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. Q dash equals to same. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So Q dash ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದೆ ಕೂಡ ಮೈನಸ್ 0 again ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So therefore Q dash equals to minus. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so A minus A dash is nothing but the skew symmetric. Half into A minus A dash is skew symmetric. You have to go like that. Okay. So already told in the property. Okay. Null matrix C. Null matrix. Okay. Holds. It's a both properties can be satisfied. Okay. Now null matrix is skew symmetric as well as symmetric also. Okay. We can consider anyone. But here in the problem itself we are considering skew symmetric. Now that's why I am writing like this. Q dash is equals to minus Q is what? Q is equals to half into A minus A dash is what? Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Okay, skew symmetric matrix. Okay now, this is skew symmetric. That is symmetric. So add both. Add both. We will get the given. See, already calculated now. Skew symmetric and symmetric. Now P is symmetric. Q is skew symmetric. Now P value already calculated. See. Q value already calculated now 0 matrix. Add these two things, you will get the same matrix now. So any matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This matrix is nothing but what? See, given matrix only. So therefore it is equals to A. So P plus Q is equals to A. So otherwise A is equals to P plus Q. P plus Q is what? P is the symmetric matrix, Q is the skew symmetric matrix. Already proved now. So therefore any matrix can be expressed as sum of means addition, sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay na? Very very important. Only 3 steps. What is the 3 steps actually means? First step is first you have to calculate half into A plus A dash. Second step half into A minus A dash. Third step have to add these two both. Okay, you will get the main matrix. Means you are doing correct. You are getting wrong means it will be you are doing some mistakes. Okay, that's why check it, and very very important for the 3 marks question in main examination. Okay, I will give one homework also. See, these two are the homework. My dear students, have to do these two are the homework. This one A, third question, already done. Second question. Okay. 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5. Okay na? Take it as P as half into A plus A dash, Q as half into A minus A dash. Calculate and add these two things, you will get the same matrix A. Okay. Next example 22. In textbook we have that solution also. I will send through WhatsApp also. Okay na? My dear student, example 22. But in this problem, what he specified means B ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. ಬಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಪಿ ಆಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ವಾಟ್ ನಾವು ಬಿ ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 87 ಒಳಗಿದೆ. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 87 ಒಳಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ to the through WhatsApp, my dear students. If you like this video, well means my dear students, okay, it will be useful means please share and subscribe to my channel. ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ and share. Thank you.